How to create an account on Medium. In this video, I'll show you guys how to quickly get a video and create an account on Medium. So first thing you do is go to the search bar and simply search for Medium. Hit enter. You'll see medium.com right on top. So go ahead and click on the first link. And you have two buttons at the top right. One is sign in and get started. If you already have an account, you could just click on sign in and then sign into your account. But if you want to create a new one, you'll have to click on get started. Now, there are a few options, so you can continue with Google and Facebook. These are one-click signups, so you could directly connect your Google or Facebook account with Medium. But if you want to sign up with email, click on it. Just go ahead and enter your email address here. Once you've done that, click on create account. Now you'll have to check your inbox, so let me just go ahead and open my Gmail. They'll most probably send me a link, which I'm going to have to click to verify. So I'm going to click on this first link and then click on create account. Now it will verify my email and then I'm able to create my account. So here you can enter your full name, click on create account, then choose what you're interested in. So let's say programming, data science, machine learning. All right, let's click on continue now. So you could choose your plan, or you could just continue with a free account down below. I'm going to do that. And I have successfully created your Medium account. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.